Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of Extension 111, that is social value. So, in this topic, we are going to discuss about the definition of social value, different types of social value, role of social value. Also, one aspect is there regarding attitude, and the questions are going to be asked about that attitude topic. So, all that things we are going to discuss in this lecture. Okay. So, first of all, what is the social value? In this picture, you can see that what is most important, what is least important to sustain the global community. That means the important things are much more valuable as compared to less important thing. So, the thing which we consider important one, useful one, that is nothing but the social value. What definition says? Social values are defined as abstract and often unconscious assumption what is right and important. The thing which we consider the right and important, that is nothing but the social value. Okay. Now, social value, how we are going to decide? Basically, it is going to be decided by our cultural aspects. That is what we can say. That is through caste, religion. By that way, we are going to say that that is the social value. For example, it is said that the elder person should be respected. We consider that thought as a much more important thing. So that is our social value. By that way, by that social value, we are trying to respect our elder persons. Are you getting? So that is the social value. So whatever the values, whatever the consideration, concepts, assumptions are decided by our caste, religion as most important, that is nothing but the social value. Okay. Another difference, social values are defined as ideas whether a particular object behavior good, bad, desirable, or like. Ideas, that is nothing but the assumptions or that is nothing but the considerations. असं आपण समजतो काय, whether a particular object behavior is good, bad, desirable, all the like. Whether particular things, particular object, particular behavior, whether it is useful one, desirable one, whether it is liked by society, whether society considers it as an important one, so that we can refer as a social value. For example, what you can say that we must take the education. The person must be literate one, that is important one. He must have a knowledge. He must be educated. He must be post-graduated. So that person is valuable, much more valuable in society as compared to the person who is only 10th standard pass or 12th standard pass. So that is the value. Okay, which are considered most important, good, bad, good, desirable. Okay, so that is the social values. Now there are three types of social value. Try to understand. Now, first one is the ultimate social values. Now, every society has unique set of values. Each society is going to follow a particular values. Okay, and that ultimate values are going to form a framework, this kind of framework. Okay, within which the behavior of individuals group is control or influence. Within that framework, our behavior is going to be controlled, or we have to carry out our behavior within that particular framework. Or what we can say that we must have to do that particular task. We must have to follow that particular rules while performing of that particular activity. So that is the ultimate values. It refers as dominant values. In case of education, what you can say that individual must have to complete his education up to graduation up to 21st or 22 years of his age. If it is not possible, then that person is going to be criticized. So that we can refer as an ultimate values. Okay. So these ultimate values is referred as a dominant values, that is going to be asked in objective. Which value is most important? It constitutes the core of the society value system. Core, that means it is a most important part of value system. We must have to follow it. Okay. It expresses the general views of society toward matters such as nature of universe, one's relation to it or others people. That means it try to explain the nature of universe and also which kind of relation we should maintain with the people. So that is going to be explained by this ultimate value. It is mostly found in the social institutions such as religion, government, family, etc. So these are the institutions that we are going to discuss it in next topic, the different institute. But it is going to be followed. Ultimate values are going to be followed in these institutes, especially. For example, democratic procedure explained in a government. So government is one of the institute, and that is the ultimate rights to the community, to the people given by our government. That is democracy. We must have to follow the democracy. So democracy is the ultimate value. So it is going to form the core of the value system. It is the dominant. In every aspects, democracy is going to be followed. लोकशाही प्रत्येक ठिकाणी फॉलो केले जाते. That is the ultimate values. Okay. So ultimate values is at the top in a value system. Democracy, and then subtypes of there are going to be followed in a value system. So ultimate value is at the top one. Now second one is intermediate value. That is second value. Okay. So it is derived from ultimate value. Now for example, consider democracy is a ultimate value. So intermediate value is derived from that ultimate values. Okay. So that is subtype of ultimate values. It exists and operates within the framework of ultimate value. Whatever the framework is given by ultimate value, within that framework it is trying to carry out its work. That is intermediate value. Okay. It is implemented through the norms. Norms means rules, regulations. Rules, regulations are going to be used to implement this intermediate value. And it tries to carry out its work within the framework of, for example, social institutions and intermediate values are there. Now, for example, religion is social institution. So, intermediate value is religious freedom. Now, democracy is the ultimate value. Okay, under democracy, this intermediate value is going to be carried out its work. So, institution, for example, religion, ultimate value is freedom. Sorry, ultimate value is democracy. Now, under that democracy, for religion, intermediate value is religious freedom. For example, government is another institution. So, ultimate value is democracy. So, under democracy, freedom of speech, adequate housing, that are the intermediate values. Another institution, education. Suppose education is an institution, then ultimate value is democracy. Okay, so ultimate value is same, democracy. But under a democracy, the intermediate value is free public education. That means we can take education in the institute where we like. There is no any limitations. जिथं पाहिजे तिथं आपण एज्युकेशन घेऊ शकतो. So that is the second one, intermediate value. Now third one is the specific value. This is the subdivision of intermediate value. Means at the top there is ultimate value, then intermediate value, and then specific value. So specific value is the subdivision of intermediate value. It constitutes the personal and group of preference expressed in a daily life. Especially it depends upon the preference given by the people, preference given by the persons. Okay. For example, to a farmer, intermediate value is a adequate housing. To a farmer, intermediate value is adequate housing. Okay, that we have discussed. Ultimate value is democracy. Intermediate value is adequate housing. Now, what will be the specific value? Specific value is derived from these intermediate values. It is subtype of intermediate value. So, specific value is brick construction home with flat veranda, large area for livestock. So, that is the specific values. That is decided by the particular farmer. So, there is no any limitation on a farmer because democracy is there. असं काही नाही ना की त्यांना असंच बांधलं पाहिजे तसंच बांधलं असं काही नाही. It is depend upon the interest, willingness of the farmer. So that is the specific value. Second one, suppose public education, for example. Okay, so that we have discussed that in education institute, ultimate value is democracy. Intermediate value is free public education or public education at anywhere we can able to take. That is intermediate value. And third value is specific value. What it says, type of schools, classroom, facilities, content of course that we are going to decide. Content of course, that means we are going to decide in which degree I want to take admission. That is decided by particular individual. So it is a specific value. Now democracy is going to be implemented throughout the country. And this specific value is depend upon a particular choice of a particular individual. एका व्यक्तीवर अवलंबून. And between these ultimate value and specific value, there is a intermediate value. That is the chain. So ultimate value is at the top, intermediate value is at the center, and specific value is at the level of that particular individual. So it is at the lower level. Okay. So these are the three types of social value. Now role of social value is going to be asked. So values provide a ready-made means of judging the social worth of a person and plurality. Judging the worth, social worth. Worth means value. With the help of social value, we are able to judge the value of particular person. For example, if that person is highly qualified, post-graduated, doctorate, then we are giving much more importance to that person as compared to the person who is learn up to 10th standard, 12th standard. Okay. So that is going to be decided by a particular values. Values focus the attentions of people on material items that are considered desirable and useful and essential. Focuses attention on material items, material cultural items. Material cultural items is the items which have physical appearance. For example, what we can say, the automobile, car, vehicles, table, chairs, computer, laptop, etc., etc. So that is the material items. It focuses their attention on the items which are desirable, useful, and essential. That means we are going to decide with the help of social value, is it necessary to buy that particular material? Is it necessary to buy that particular instrument? Whether it is important, useful one. So that is depend on the social value. The ideal way of thinking, behaving in societies are indicated by the social value. That means social value try to indicate which the ways of thinking and behaving in the society. How to behave in a society, which kind of thinking we need to follow. So that is going to be decided, that is going to be indicated by the social values. For example, we should respect to the elders. We must have to go to the school. We must have to attend the colleges. We must have to learn new things. So that are the values. So thinking, behaving is going to be indicated by the values. So social values are important. Values are the guidepost for people in their choice and fulfillment of social roles. Values are the guidepost. That means values helps us regarding choice and fulfillment of our roles. Which kind of role we have to perform? Which kind of role I need to fulfill? So that is going to be decided, or that is going to be guided by the social values. Okay. Which kind of role children need to play? Which kind of role parents need to play? Which kind of role grandparents need to play? So that is going to be decided, guided by the values. Value act as a means of social control and social pressure. It try to control the society. For example, we must have to take the education. That means ultimately, indirectly, it try to control the behavior of the children. That children must have to take the education. They must have literate one. They must have to learn up to at least graduation. At least graduation. So by that way, it try to control the behavior of the people. That is the example which I try to give you. Values function as a means of solidarity. Solidarity means unity. It try to maintain unity, solidarity among the people. It try to maintain integration among the people. Social. For example, we are going to celebrate a particular festival. Right now we have celebrated the Dussehra. Okay. So it is social, what social value says that we must have to celebrate the Dussehra. By that way, how to celebrate the Dussehra? There are different ways. We are trying to give this leaf of particular plant to each other and try to give wishes to each other. By that way, it tried to maintain unity among the people. Are you getting? So here it is, values are acting as a means of solidarity. So that is about the role of social value. Okay, very most important topic. It is going to be asked in an exam. Define social values, different types of social values, and role of social values. So accordingly, you need to prepare for this topic. Now the next part is attitude, but this topic we are going to discuss afterward. Now in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you.